After a long and sultry day of summer, where the temperatures soar, rain is always welcome. It washes away all the dust and brings happiness to the people. Do you like rains? What is your favorite part of the rain? Is it the rainbow or the muddy puddles or the blooming flowers or the fresh plants? And what do you like to eat during rains? Is it the pav bhaji or kottu parota or samosa or barota or potato bhaji? Well, today's storybook is all about rains. It's called Peacocks and Pakodas and it is written by Mala Kumar and Manisha Chowdhury and illustrated by Priya Kurian. I can see big black clouds in the sky, and I can hear bada boom, the roll of thunder. The monsoon is here. It's called Varsha Ritu in Sanskrit. I love the smell of wet earth. After a long hot summer, the soil also loves the first raindrops, I think. The rain makes beautiful patterns on the ground. My uncle has kept big drums in some places to save rainwater. The rainwater from the terrace comes and falls into these drums. So I call them waterfalls. Auntie likes to sing aloud when it starts raining. Shubha auntie, who lives in Varanasi, taught me some lovely songs called Kajari. Do you know Mayan Tansen, a very famous singer in the court of Emperor Akbar, could bring the rain down from the skies just by singing a song in Rag Mayan Ki Malhar? I'm going to start learning Indian classical music too. Do you know Indian classical music? And do you know anybody who plays sitar or veena in your family? I got wet in the rain when I came back running from school, but it was fun. I saw peacocks dancing in the fields near our house. They never seem to get wet. I cannot wait to sit on the swing that Manu has put up on the big tree and feel the cool rainy breeze on my face. Do you like getting wet in rain? And do you like splashing in all those big muddy puddles? And have you seen a peacock? I can smell the pakodas being fried in the kitchen. Can I be greedy and eat some corn too? Amma makes us drink hot milk. Yesterday she made us spicy puffed rice, and tomorrow she says she will make puris. Friends, what does your mum make for you when it rains? Is it bhajis or is it pakoras? What is it? All the trees and plants will look green and happy, just like the green dupatta that Hari Bhaiya sent for me from Jaipur. He said it is called Dani Chunaria. Dani means the fresh green color of paddy saplings. Grandpa told me that good rain means the farmers will get a good crop. We all wait for the rains, but the farmers worship the rain gods. My mango tree has grown very tall during the monsoon season. I do not have to water it at all. And when the wind blew hard last month, my tree stood firm. When will my mango tree be as big as this one? The end. I hope you all enjoyed reading this book with me, and I'm sure you'll be earning for some pakodas. So go and ask your mom to make some. Follow our page on Instagram at DIYwithShane, and also don't forget to subscribe to this page on YouTube to get more of our videos. Thank you for listening to this video.